Hi everyone, today in this video we will see how you can easily fix the .NET Framework installation issue in Windows. To get started, simply look for Windows features. Click on this option and make sure the .NET Framework are unselected here. Simply unselect both of them and click on OK. Now it may ask for a restart, so simply restart your Windows after the process completes. After restart, go to Registry editor. Now copy the registry location from the video description and paste it here and hit enter. Now go to the CSD version. Right click over this key and select modify. Now change the value data from 0 to 100 and click on OK. Close Registry editor and restart your Windows for the changes to take effect. After restart, you can easily install .NET Framework without any errors now. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if this helped. Thank you.